Hello everyone, I'm Ant with Dynamite, and my goal today is to turn this into something I can live with. So let's get into that. So the first thing I did was kind of Marie Kondo'd my room and threw everything off of it onto the floor, somewhat sorted. In the process of doing all this mess, I found this, which is to hold your phone up while you record, which my dad gave me, so that's nice. So then I cleaned off the table as one does. Here I am trying to make something kind of aesthetic, but it turns out really bad. So this looks like failure. This is A+ content you clicked on. Yeah, aren't you glad to be here? So now we get the quality content that is watching me put up all my items. Oh, and you get the occasional slipper, so do with that what you will. Man, say I'm a terrorist. Say I'm a terrorist and I'm gonna shoot you to work and never. I don't know the rest of these words. I really need to learn these words. And we're gonna put this. Gosh. So here it is in all its glory, all completed and everything. 10 out of 10 would recommend. I don't know, man. It's nice to have a clean space. It's just hard to keep up sometimes. But that's okay, 'cause I'm just gonna keep on cleaning. But